This Independence Day, we'd love to tell you the story of a box. The box that unboxed India. It was 1952 and time for India's first free election. Godrej was given the responsibility of delivering 1.2 million ballot boxes to every remote corner of India, and in just 4 months. The ballot box was an inflection point for India. It unboxed India's potential to become self-reliant. It unboxed our freedom. The freedom to elect our government and build an inclusive nation with institutions that protect us. It unboxed our ability to reach the moon and Mars and put thousands of satellites into space. It unboxed our ability to defend our borders and our homes. And unboxed the world to enable all of us to grow. It unboxed our ability to help people protect themselves, recover and heal. It unboxed the science to feed 1 billion people and our desire to own our dream home. It unboxed sustainable practices to protect our planet and unboxed tomorrow's aspirations for India. It is not just a ballot box. This box unboxed everything that our freedom fighters fought for. At Godrej, we feel proud to have helped unbox our nation's dreams since 1897. Happy Independence Day, India.